Hello guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Bilal Ghatiz and I'm gonna do a full yet quick review of what Finquiz has to offer for those who are considering sitting for the CFA Level 1 exam. Let's get into it. This video is not promoted, it is not paid by Finquiz. However, while preparing for my free CFA lectures on my YouTube channel, I found that a lot of people are asking for reviews when it comes to what Finquiz has to offer. So I figured, why not, since it would be helpful for you guys. Additionally, I would really appreciate it if you guys would give me that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with videos coming soon related to the CFA program and other finance related topics. Let's get into it. Rankings. Investopedia has recently ranked Finquiz among the 7 best CFA exam prep courses for 2021. And the reason for that is Investopedia believe that what Finquiz has to offer is really helpful for those who are self-directed learners. The first thing that I'm going to be talking about is the study plan. See, having a study plan in any preparation is very important, and the study plan that Finquiz has to offer is really detailed, well structured, and it helps you to prepare in a period of 3 months. But what I do not really like about the study plan is that it is not customizable, so it cannot accommodate each person's need if they are actually different. So I would actually give the study plan a rating of 6 over 10. Curriculum notes. What I like about what Finquiz has to offer is the design, the structure, the focus on very important parts of the chapters, and the examples with the details on how to solve the questions that they pose. However, what I don't really like is the level of details. So if you guys are coming from a finance or accounting background, the curriculum notes might be sufficient for you guys. However, if you're coming from backgrounds that's not accounting or finance, I highly recommend that you supplement your studies with the CFA Institute books. Thus, I would give the curriculum notes a rating of 7 over 10. Smart summaries. I really like the smart summaries that Finquiz offer. They are straightforward, well structured, and they are great and amazing as a wrap up for each chapter. And I don't really find any con when it comes to the smart summaries, so I would give them a straight 10. Formula sheet. I really like the formula sheet that Finquiz offers. See, there are a lot of formula sheets, and when it comes to formulas, formulas are formulas. But what I like about what Finquiz offers is the design, especially the colors, the structure with the titles related to each chapter, the comprehensiveness, and they are really, really good for wrapping up a chapter. And again, I see no cons when it comes to the formula sheet, so I would give it a straight 10. The Q Bank. The QBank is one of the solid and strongest part that Finquiz has to offer. They offer more than 3,700 questions. The interface is really, really user-friendly. It has a lot of filtering options and it is customizable. And I don't really see any cons when it comes to the QBank that Finquiz has to offer. So I would give it a straight 10. Mock exams. I really like what Finquiz has to offer when it comes to the mock exams, not only in terms of quality but in terms of quantity. They offer 6 mock exams, thus 12 full sessions. The mock exams simulate real life exams, thus they are now computer based after the recent update. The mock exam interface is very user friendly, and the level of questions is not really generic. And the level of difficulty is really, really acceptable, and it simulates real life questions. A lot of people say that the questions that Finquiz offer are too difficult, but for me, difficult is good. I've been teaching for the past 8 years, and the thing that always students ask for is what is the most in terms of difficulty that we can see before we can actually go to the exam. So having a mock exam that is difficult is really good because you're actually having the answers. You're going to have the answers for this exam. So you're going to be also prepared for difficult questions in case they pop up on D-Day. So having high difficulty exams is something good, and I would honestly give the mock exams done by Finquiz a solid 10. Pricing. Finquiz offers a lot of pricing options on their website. However, I believe that the pricing that Finquiz offer is their competitive advantage when it comes to what others have to offer in the market. See, if you look at the solving package, which I believe is a must for all candidates, it's being sold at $299 and it offers the complete QBank and the complete mock exam package, which as I've mentioned earlier, 6 complete exams, thus 12 sessions, and it's only being sold for $299. And I believe this is highly affordable. And the premium package, which is everything that Finquiz has to offer, is being sold at $599, which is also very, very affordable compared to the level and the content that you're getting from Finquiz and compared to what others are actually offering in the market. So I would definitely give it 10 for this item. Support. Throughout my experience in dealing and talking with the support team at Finquiz, I believe that support is very helpful and the response time is amazing and surprising. In a nutshell, guys, if you are using the CFA Institute material, I highly recommend that you go for the premium package as it will help you in terms of practice and revision. If you are using another prep provider already, I highly recommend going for the solving package, the QBank and the mock exam, because they are very efficient and very effective. For people coming from accounting and finance background, I highly recommend that you go for the premium package. For people coming from backgrounds other than accounting and finance, I also highly recommend that you go for the premium package but complement it with the CFA Institute books or notes from other providers. If you plan on getting Finquiz on a standalone basis, I highly recommend that you read the material from the CFA Institute books, especially in areas that you are not familiar with. Finally, guys, I would like to thank you for watching. Please do not forget that thumbs up button and subscribe to stay notified of videos related to the CFA. Additionally, if you have any suggestion on any video that you would like me to do, please drop it down in the comment section. Have a good day.